Here is one of the first methanol fuel cell electric cars. This is the beginning of a revolution in the electric car market. Today we are opening Europe's first methanol filling station for electric cars. The white Fiat 500 is actually an electric car, but it has a built-in fuel cell for methanol from the Danish company Serenergy. It recharges the battery as it goes, and the car can run about 800 kilometers on each fill-up. We want to help solving the climate changes of the world. Serenergy is focusing on green methanol, which is produced from CO2, hydrogen and electricity from sustainable energy sources, for example wind turbines. Methanol, also known as wood alcohol, is an excellent carrier of energy and is therefore a unique storage for sustainable energy. It's easy because we can use the already existing infrastructure. It's cheap because methanol is a cheap feedstock, which is already on the market. And it's green because methanol can be produced from sustainable energy sources. Today, methanol is already produced in an amount equivalent to 10% of the world's petrol consumption. Methanol is cheaper than petrol, even with taxes. The challenge is to produce methanol-driven vehicles. This is an amazing day because today we can see that Smart City Aalborg can create a success with fuel cells. And now Europe's first methanol filling station is open. For a green future, a good future with fuel cells and a strengthening of Smart City Aalborg. Refueling methanol is done the same way as with petrol and diesel. And there is no need for new big installations. They can be integrated with traditional filling stations as we know them today. The drivers can refuel in the same way as they used to, just as fast and have the same range as today. The project is important to Aalborg. We show that we are one step ahead with environmental solutions. It's a good branding of Aalborg and it creates jobs. Many jobs are created. In 2 years, Serenergy has grown from 30 to 50 and is developing rapidly. Aalborg municipality is positive towards the new technology and wants to integrate the methanol fuel cell electric vehicles into their daily operation. We are already in a dialogue with Serenergy to integrate fuel cells into some of the municipality's cars. This is the first cars, and soon we will enter a demonstration phase of 20 to 50 cars. We are also in dialogue with several car manufacturers to integrate the technology into electric vehicles from the beginning. The first methanol fuel cell electric vehicles are expected to be introduced to the market within a year.